Navigating with care. The essence of tread with caution. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very interesting phrase. Tread with caution. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. Understanding these phrases can greatly enrich your English learning journey, so let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: tread and with caution. To tread means to walk or step in a specified way. It's an action that involves careful movement. Now, when we add with caution to it, we're essentially advising someone to proceed or move forward, but with a great level of care and attention to avoid danger or mistakes. The phrase, tread with caution, is used metaphorically rather than literally. It's not just about physically moving carefully. It's about being cautious in actions, decisions, or when entering into certain situations. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a conversation about investments, the market is very unpredictable right now. I would tread with caution before making any large investments. 2. Discussing a sensitive topic. When you're talking to him about his performance, tread with caution. He takes criticism very personally. 3. Exploring a new business venture. This opportunity looks promising, but we should tread with caution and do our due diligence before proceeding. These examples show that tread with caution can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the importance of proceeding carefully in potentially risky or sensitive situations. Understanding and using the phrase, tread with caution, can be very beneficial. It helps convey a sense of responsibility and foresight. By advising someone to tread with caution, you're essentially looking out for their well-being, ensuring they are aware of potential risks and encouraging them to think carefully before acting. This phrase also enriches your English vocabulary, allowing you to express cautionary advice eloquently and succinctly. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to tread with caution, and how you can use it in your conversations and writing. English is filled with fascinating phrases that can add depth and precision to your communication. Remember, learning these phrases not only helps you understand others better but also makes you a more effective and nuanced speaker. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep exploring and tread with caution in your language learning journey.